Okay, just everyone with a heads up, I'm just going to go through this question. If you're near it or on it, I'm just going to go through it. Okay, except you, Georgie, don't you worry about it. Okay, so we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay, and if we had a rectangle at 7 centimetres, so if between here and here was 7 centimetres, and between here and here was 3 centimetres, what would be this distance here? Beth? 10 centimetres. How did you get 10 centimetres? 3 plus. You did that, didn't you, importantly? Okay. And let's just say the distance between here and here was 3. Okay. And so our length might be, which is a really horrible straight line, our length might be 10 centimetres by our 3 centimetres, and that would give us 30 centimetres squared, yeah? Alright, and so we've done that process in the past. What we haven't done the process with sometimes, although we did do it occasionally, was with unknown side lengths. And so if we look at blue, if we take blue just on its own, we follow the process which is area equals length times width. Now what's our length there, Cheyenne? Are you paying attention? Sorry. No, you're not on this. Are you on this? No, sorry. Alex, what's the length there? Our length could... Alex is going with our length being that one, which is fine. He's saying it's x plus 1 plus x take 1, which is what we did here. We did 7 plus 3. Okay? So let's go with that. It's x plus 1 x, whoops, I didn't put a little error there. Didn't put my plus in. So despite saying it to you, I forgot to put it in myself, plus x take 1. Okay, so that's that plus that. You're right with that so far? And then what's our width? What would be our width there, Connor? X. Okay. Now, the way we've been writing these is not to write it like that, but to put this out the front, x plus 1, did it again, plus x take 1. Okay, you all right with that so far? People all right with that so far? Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you get on with your work again for the 3rd time this lesson, please? And what we need to do there is to fully factorise it. So what they've asked us for is an expression. Well, that's now an expression. All right? That is an expression. But then they ask us to fully factorise it. So to fully factorise it, we can try and solve this here. What's x plus x? And positive 1 take 1 is 0, isn't it? Yeah? What we've then got is multiply everything by that which is inside by that which is outside, and you end up with a fully factorised answer of 2x squared. Connor, is that alright for you? Length times width, put together what our length and width are, and then we try and fully factorise it by solving what's in there. We end up with 2x squared. Okay? So then you're looking at red, which will be slightly trickier because instead of having just x out the front, you'll have x take 2. Alright, so you have to... But same process. The same process will be to go and solve what's here, and then times it by x take 2. Alright? With your total, again, it's something more complicated again, so it's just going up in levels. Okay? Can I leave you with that? Is that alright?